The rapid development of technology produces a wealth of information flow around the world. The data that constantly create and connect in every corner of the world change our lives profoundly. In this tide, intelligence and connectivity constantly promote the change of this era, making the intelligent traffic become possible. Yutong Telematics Research and Development Department has provided customers with fleet management systems and operational solutions since 2011. During the past 7 years, Yutong was dedicated to the research of telematics technologies and focused on the whole life cycle of buses and the whole business process management. The services we provided have changed from a single management tool to comprehensive solutions. Based on one single platform, the data interaction of all aspects of commercial vehicle ecology chain can be achieved, including vehicle terminal, software, driver behavior, and intelligent operation of a whole city, making data become alive and smart. Let the data create value and turn impossible into possible. The real-time interaction of data would create a new future with unlimited possibilities. The big data and the hundreds of millions of computing remodel the fleet management mode and light up every blind spot of the operation. Our most important mission is to keep the operation and management efficient and controllable. Based on the real needs of each customer, the intelligent and connected solutions continuously enhance the operational ability and transform the traditional operation mode into a more efficient, controllable, safer, and lower cost one. The massive interactive information between people, vehicles, and roads will become a new wealth for the industrial upgrading. Through the analysis of massive big data, the design and manufacturing of products can be improved, thus providing customers with safer, more comfortable, and more economical products. The connectivity of intelligent buses and coaches, intelligent services, operation and management, intelligent public transport, travel, and intelligent manufacturing will promote the realization of intelligent urban transportation. When the connected vehicle becomes a node of the city transport network, it can be linked with various urban transport facilities to improve the overall urban travel efficiency, thus making the travel safer and enhancing the establishment of smart city via the transport. The solutions in terms of safety, maintenance, and scheduling can be tailored according to the various needs of different customers to create greater value for you and make more and more personalized services become possible. In the near future, personalized public transportation can also be customized. Changes make enterprises more competitive. Changes make the public transport better. Changes make the city smarter. Changes enable the present to approach the future. Focusing on the present and looking ahead to the future, we are committed to changing and creating so as to make more impossible become possible.